Maximize your chargeable hours for your HVAC business. With your intelligent digital storefront, never miss opportunities. Enable and empower your business with embedded smart tools that simplify your workflow so you can focus on what you do best. Build, manage, and operate your business on the go. No paperwork, no stress, just smooth, reliable flow. Be searchable on major search engines. Customers can find you, book your service, receive invoices, and get paid, all in one seamless experience. Welcome to WicWac, where we help service businesses grow and thrive. Schedule a call now and let's talk. Download the app today.